In this episode, we will be talking about understanding customer needs. Understanding your customer needs as a product owner is essential to creating the ideal product. But how do you go about conducting user research that would give you insights to what you need? In this video, we're going to share 5 tips that will help you perform a successful user research. Define your research goals. Clearly define what you want to learn from your research before you start. Identify your target audience. Be clear on who you want to research and how to reach them. Use a variety of research methods. Combine different research methods such as surveys, interviews, and user testing to get a well-rounded understanding of your customer needs. Analyze and interpret your data. Use the data you collect to identify patterns, trends, and insights that can inform your product development. Communicate your findings. Share your research findings with your team and stakeholders to help them understand your customers' needs. By following these few steps, you will be able to conduct effective user research that would help you build a product that will satisfy your customers' needs. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about user research and any other aspects of product ownership and development, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our website on www.leanicontechnology.co.uk.